So this right here is referrer.sh. With this tool you can include a widget on your website to refer your friends for any sort of job. So let's go through and make our widget here. So if you click here on create my widget, we will get 3 columns. One where we can edit our widget, preview, and copy the code. So let's go ahead and add a couple of people. Now we have added 2 people to our list, so we can add however many we want, or we can be happy with this and we can simply copy the code. Now you can include this on your website, and I'm going to showcase this to you through CodePen. So we can see here this is a simple iframe, and this is going to include on the website. Let's add a gray background so we can see it clearly, and some padding. Now we can see that we have a perfect widget which links to each friend's profile. So yeah, this is how Referrer works. Please take a look and add it to your website. Thanks.